Hey there! Welcome to a minute of power-packed tips on maintaining a healthy diet. 1. Plan your meals for the week. It's a guaranteed way to make healthier choices. 2. Diversify your meals. Mix it up with various food groups for a balanced nutrient intake. 3. Be mindful of portion sizes. It's the secret to avoiding overeating. 4. Hydration is key. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. 5. Cut down on sugars and processed foods. Your energy levels will thank you. 6. Take control by cooking at home. It's your ticket to healthier choices. 7. Make fruits and veggies your best friends. They're your go-to for essential vitamins and minerals. 8. Be a label detective. Understanding nutrition labels equips you to make informed food choices. 9. Listen to your body. Eat when hungry, stop when satisfied. And 10. Remember, patience and persistence are your allies on this journey to healthy eating. And that's a wrap. Incorporate these tips and pave your way to a healthier you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more. Until next time.